They started going for more and more criminals. As jobs disappeared, the youth took to criminal activities and total despair became commonplace. Despair means, mark there, sadness. The economic crisis created deep anxieties and fear in the people. How it developed fear? Because there was loss of money. Money jitna bank mein tha, they were using that money. But when that money will also come to an end, then from where they will fulfill their needs? Food, clothes, from where they will get it? जैसे अभी का situation हो रहा है. It is a very problematic. In future, it will create a huge problem. Now, again mark here. The salaried employees and prisoners saw their savings diminish, means ending, when the currency lost its value. Small businessmen, self-employed retailers suffered as as their business got ruined, destroyed. Their next market. These sections of society were filled with the fear of proletarianism. Now define what is proletarianism. See the box there, green, right? It is written to become impoverished. Mark the word impoverished, poor, to the level of working class. इतना गरीब कि उसको अब बाहर निकल के स्ट्रीट्स पर काम करना पड़ रहा है ना? Mark this word. Their ranks were reduced to a working class or worse, unemployed. Only the organized workers, organized means those who worked in the government or any other अच्छा जगह पे, they could manage to keep their head above water. मतलब डूब रहा था लेकिन इतना भी बचा हुआ था क्योंकि पूरा डूबने के लिए उसके पास अभी पैसा था. But unemployed work weakened their bargaining power. Big business were in crisis. Large mass of peasantry was affected by sharp fall in agricultural prices. Mark here, women unable to fill their children's stomach were filled with a sense of deep despair. So which type of situation Germany was facing? Acute economic crisis. What will you write? Acute मतलब बहुत ज्यादा. Economic crisis कहो या depression में. Now the last paragraph, see here. You will write it under the question why Weimar Republic became unpopular. Previously you have marked 2 or 3 points you have marked. Now mark the next point. Politically too, Weimar Republic was fragile. Mark the word. Fragile means very delicate. As why it was delicate? Because it was newly born and it was not able to solve the problems. It was made by 2-3 political parties. So it was said that it was based on coalition government. और तीनों political parties की ideas कभी भी एक दूसरे से match नहीं करता, इसलिए हमेशा तीनों में tension रहता था. They fighted among themselves and the result was parliament hanged. है ना, emergency declare कर दिया गया, तीनों आपस में लड़ गए क्योंकि आइडियाज ही नहीं मैच हो रहा है और पार्लियामेंट हैंग हो गया. So that type of situation was found in Weimar Republic after every 2 or 3 days. है ना, so that type it was not. और तीसरा था कि जितना इकोनॉमिक डिप्रेशन होते हुए भी Weimar Republic was not able to solve the problems of the Germany. It didn't pull Germany out of the economic crisis. And for these 2 or 3 reasons, you will find that Weimar Republic collapsed and it led to the rise of Adolf Hitler. Now, before coming to how it ended, yesterday or previous days, you have marked that first point. As Weimar Republic had accepted the Treaty of Versailles, the people of Germany didn't like the idea of Weimar Republic. Second, Weimar Republic signed the treaty and fulfilled all the desires of the Allied power, so the people of Germany didn't like Weimar Republic. ये सब क्वेश्चन पॉइंट्स तुम ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्सलिस के पहले थोड़ा मार्क किए हुए. अब यहाँ पे मार्क करो. Politically too. First market. लिखो the Weimar Constitution has some inherent defect. Inherent means उसमें अपने आप में defective था, which made it unstable. Mark there. One was, first point, proportional representation. Proportional representation means तीन पार्टी एक साथ वहां पे रूल कर रहे थे. That is, achieving majority by any one party, near impossible task, but it was leading a rule by which type of parties? Coalition. Coalition means mili juli sarkar. How many parties was making government there? What will you say? Three.
Three parties.
Three parties. Three parties was making the government. इसलिए आपस में लड़ते रहते थे. Another defect, second marker, Article 48, which gave the president the power to impose emergency. इसलिए देखो जब आपस में लड़ते थे तुरंत emergency डिक्री मतलब लॉ पास कर देते. और मार्क करो, it suspends civil right rule by decree, that is law, and within its short line the Weimar Republic saw 20 different cabinets lasting an average of 239 days. 20 times 48 के अंदर वो लगभग 20 times emergency में गया. Yet the crisis 239 days मतलब एक साल भी नहीं हो रहा है. एक साल में कितना दिन होता है? 365 days होता है ना. यहाँ 239 days में वो लगभग 20 times emergency डिक्लेयर किया था. इसलिए कहा गया कि एकदम लिबरल यूज किया. आर्टिकल 48 बहुत मुश्किल से यूज किया जाता है, लेकिन उसका एकदम लिबरल यूज, आराम से यूज कर लेता था कि now we are going to declare our Weimar Republic is in emergency because the ideas are not tallying with each other. इसलिए लास्ट में लिखोगे the Weimar Republic didn't pull Germany out of economic crisis. So people didn't liked it and it failed by the rise of Adolf Hitler. ये conclusion में डालोगे. जैसे the crisis could not be managed. Crisis मतलब कौन सा crisis? Economic crisis. People lost confidence in democratic parliament system and which had no solution. Now you will mark all the points. First point you have marked that the Weimar Constitution has two inherent defects which made it unstable. You have marked so far. First marking, the system of proportional representation. यहाँ तक मार्क करो, है ना. इसके बाद इसमें और ऐड करो, it led to the rule by coalition. देखो यहाँ से leading to a rule by coalition. यहाँ पे लिखा है ना, one was proportional representation. ये लाइन छोड़ के यहाँ से इसको लिंक कर दो, leading to a rule of collisions. Got it? Because collisions, अब इसमें लिखो because no single party managed to form the government. Because no single party managed to form the government. Another defect marker, managed to form the government. This affected the stability of Weimar Republic. इसको अपने से ऐड करना. This affected the stability of Weimar Republic. Second proposal में another defect was Article 48. Another defect was Article 48, leading 48, which gave the power to the president to impose emergency. मिला? Suspend civil rights and rule by decree. Rule by decree means rule by law. Marked here. Within its short life, Weimar Republic saw 20 different cabinets lasting an average of 239 days and a liberal use of Article 48. यहाँ तक पूरा end करो. और लास्ट में लिखो people, conclusion में लिखो, people lost confidence and Weimar Republic became unpopular. People lost confidence, and Weimar Republic became unpopular. Now come to the second unit, Hitler's rise to power. Are you listening to me?
मैम एक
Yes, ma'am.
क्वेश्चन या
सुन रहे हो? चलो सेकेंड टॉपिक पे आए, हिटलर्स राइज टू पावर. What was the name of Hitler's political party? Nazi party. In full you can say Nazism. या उसको कहते हो इंटरनेशनल सोशलिस्ट जर्मन वर्कर्स पार्टी, है ना, नेशनल सोशलिस्ट जर्मन वर्कर पार्टी. तो हिटलर जब आया था फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद, तो हिटलर एक सिंपल सा सिपाही था, पुलिस था,